Mathematicians, I know that you've been reading the world all around you for a really long time. And I know when you see things like this, you know that says Walmart, right? And when you see this, you know it says Jimmy John's. Yeah. But as mathematicians, I was thinking we can read the world for numbers too. And that's what I want to teach you today. That numbers can be found in different places and used for different things. So we can think, what is the name of that number and how would I describe it and where else have I seen that and why is it here? Well, let's take a look at what I mean. This is outside of my friend's apartment. Wait a minute, are those both numbers? No, that's a letter, isn't it? That's the letter B. But is this a number? Yeah. I'm going to look up on my number line to see what number that is. 1, 2, 3. It is a 3. It looks just the same. Let's see if you can draw it in the air while I go over it on the screen. Are you ready? It's kind of got like 2 bumps, doesn't it? Let's try this. Here we go. Around and around again. The number 3. So then I'm thinking, gosh, why is it outside my friend's apartment? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? It tells people what apartment number it is. That's pretty smart. I have seen that some other places before, like on a clock. Interesting. Let's take a look at another one. This is at my other friend's house, and she has a mailbox. Well, this mailbox has a 3 on it too. Wow. So 3s can be in lots of different places. I think this 3 is helping us know where this house is also. And I also see a number 1. Oh, let's make that 1, just that stick. Yes. So I see a 1, I see my 3, and then what's that? It's at the top of my number line too. You're right, it's a 0. Let's make a 0. And then I've got to figure out this number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you already say 6? I'm going to try and trace over that. Can you try to do it in the air with your hand? Here we go. Ready? I'm going to start at the top and go all down and around. Yes. So there's 3 numbers. Nope, not 3. 4 numbers in this address. So not only did we name the numbers, but we also saw why they were important. And we've seen one of those before. Oh my goodness. I see lots of numbers on this. Yeah, a clock. What's a clock do? It helps us tell time. It makes me think our number line, this is a 0 and then a 1. I see that 1 here. I bet we could count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a lot of numbers in one space. I think that's going to help us tell time, though. And it's important. Wait a minute. Have you seen a pencil around? Have you been using a pencil maybe even? Look on there. I see a number. Which one is that? Did you say 2? Yeah, a number 2. I can see it on my number line here too. I wonder why that 2 is on a pencil. Maybe it tells us something about the pencil. It's interesting that it's on the pencil, though. We've seen it on the clock, maybe even somebody's address, not the ones we saw. I wonder if we could try to make that 2. Let's try it. Are you ready? I'm going to try to trace over it. We're going to start at the top, and we're going to go around, and then make that straight line at the end. A number 2. I saw it on that clock, and this probably tells us something about that pencil. Well, I was thinking maybe you too could look around your house and see what numbers are around you And think about, man, how would you write that number? Why is it there? And have you seen it somewhere else? You may want to do a video. You may want to write them on a piece of paper and tell someone else about those numbers. There may be other ways too that you've thought of that I haven't. But I hope you remember today to really pay attention to those numbers around you. Off you go.